Hello, my name is Janet Blanco Ortega. I live in San Calixto Norte de Santander. That's it. Shortening or abbreviation. Or clapping abbreviation. I'm going to talk about clapping abbreviation. And the clapping or abbreviation are those words that we had small. Of course, this only applies the writing sensing to speak. The word be like the original word. This is a form of clapping word and the truth help because there are some very long words. Sample with high, yeah, what. Times clapping or abbreviation, but clapping, for clapping, age clapping, money clapping, right clapping, sus clapping, clapping. Example: bad clapping, original, prefabricate, abbreviation, prefat, for clapping, to abbreviation, my bullying, original, bulimia, age clapping, original, and screener, abbreviation, sneak, math clapping, original, breathalyzer, abbreviation clapping, breath analyzer, random clapping, original, biographical, abbreviation, biopic, suffix clapping, original, shape, y, abbreviation, short, garble. The other example. Let's note for that abbreviations are very important for teaching learning. For example, when we are teaching verb to be and we change our student. The next example. He is original. Abbreviation. He is his. Original. Where are? Abbreviation. Where are? And this is our answer abbreviation, and many of our students are able to learning more in this way, or even we can facilitate this learning while forgetting the original word. Thank you. Bye. Abbreviation clapping.